A very good morning to you all. My name is Chamisa. I'm 20 years old, I'm a young woman, and today I'm representing WeLead, which is a youth leadership development organization. Now, I want to start from a perspective of the neuroscience of conflict, and please assist me by giving me your full attention. And the human mind is what we call an amygdala in the human brain. And this amygdala is an almond-shaped little set of neurons in our brain. And whenever a human being is threatened, the amygdala swells up and it releases toxic chemicals into the human body. And one of those most toxic chemicals is fear. Now, when a person is now afraid, when a person feels threatened, when a person believes that something is going to harm them, we often resort to sort of retreating and to sort of seeing that thing that threatens us as something that we should hate. And then we react. And then the fear just takes over our mind. And we fail to think from a rational perspective. We fail to view the world from a perspective of logic, from a perspective of reason, from a perspective of let's come together in dialogue. You see, I believe that each and every one of us who has been through the experience that we experienced in the 2 weeks in January has gone through that phase where they were, fearful, and we began to hate, and we began to see the other person as the opponent and the enemy. Now, today I've been asked to come here and talk about the young people, and I believe, Mr. MC, that I need more time. I need more time to express that young people are some of the most vulnerable people, and these are the people who have been mostly affected by what has happened. And the fact of the matter is that we have come here sometimes sort of filtered and sort of censored. We've been told, don't talk about this, don't talk about that. When you mention the sensitive part, say these are allegations. But I want to talk firstly about rape. I'm a young woman, and I believe that we have to speak against such things because these things will not bring peace in the long run. Whether these women are coming forward and they're talking about it as allegations, these are young women. Most of the people who've been affected are young women, and as a young person, I can only stand to say that we have to talk about it in an objective fashion. And we cannot have a dialogue such as this one and leave and not have talked about this. That's the first thing. The second thing I want to talk about is that we as young people are the hardest hit by everything that is happening. If you look at the people who've been hardest hit by the violence, the people who are getting abducted, beaten up, the people getting arrested. We've had reports of young people as young as 6 years old, as young as 11 years old, being taken and beaten up. We have to talk about these things because they are affecting young people. Now, please do bear with me here. I do not believe in the politics of generationalism. I believe in intergenerational dialogue. I believe that the young people and the old people should come together and talk in full consensus, but let us tell the truth. Because the truth is the only thing that will set us free. It might make us uncomfortable. It might make us a bit hesitant, but it's the only thing that can bring healing. And it is the only thing that can set us free as a nation. Moving on to the next thing that I want to talk about is the issue of diversity. In this nation, we struggle with diversity. We struggle with people who are different. It's like how I will look at myself and see that I'm beautiful, so everyone who doesn't look like me is ugly. It's like how I can look at myself, I'm a relatively tall young woman, so every young woman who's not my height is short. It is how I can look at myself and say, I'm intelligent, so everyone who does not reason the way I do is stupid. But that's not true. Just because someone does not look like you doesn't mean that you are beautiful and they're ugly, it means they're different. Just because someone does not share the same sentiments and opinion as you doesn't mean that you are better off intellectually. It just means that you are different. We need to come to a state where we can agree to disagree, where we can agree to agree, and where we can agree to compromise, and know that the other person, regardless of how different they are still important, and their opinion matters. The next thing that I want to talk about is dialogue, the importance of dialogue. We come to those meetings and we say, oh, this dialogue, we're talking. But in actual fact, we need to understand dialogue in its more holistic fashion. Dialogue is when we come together in an attitude of we want to compromise and we want to hear the other party. It is an attitude of where we come together and we want to say, listen, we want this to be genuine. We want results at the end of the day. I have often told people that every war that has ever been fought, you talk about the world wars, every genocide, when we have had gross malpractices in any nation, all of that ended when there was a dialogue. But now I want to bring some new perspectives to this. What if we made dialogue our culture? What if we made it our everyday living? What if we decided to have dialogue before we've got 4 million people dead? What if we decided to have dialogue before we've got a lot of women raped? What if we decided to talk about it before we've got people who are dead? You see, I believe that dialogue works, but the only problem that we have is that we often have it when it's too late. We have dialogue when people are already dead. We have dialogue when women are already raped. We have dialogue when things are already bad. Why don't we have it before all of this? You see, even prior to all this violence, to all this, this tension, we could already see that things were leading us there. Why didn't we have the conversations then? Why have them now after all those people are dead, after all those women have been raped, after all this vandalization, after all this brutality? We have to set our objectives straight. The final thing that I'm going to say before I leave, I think it's very, very exceptional that we've got so many great and awesome men of God. You see, Ezekiel Guti once said that people are people. We must learn to realize that there is nothing, absolutely nothing, that makes us different. We're people. We're just people. We are just people. Be able to look at the next person and see a person. Let us not look at another person and see a white Zimbabwe. Let us see Zimbabwe. Let us not look at another person and see MDC or ZANU-PF. Let us see Zimbabwe. Let us not look at another person and see, oh, this church and that church. Let us see Zimbabwe. We are all people. And the moment that we come to this realization, it means that we are ready and for peace, and we are ready to talk about things in objective fashion that are leading us into a future of prosperity. But as long as we are coming together and we are not telling each other the truth, then we have a problem. I'm so sorry, I'm a very frank person, but thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much. I think we can have 10 more minutes.